everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a long 3D shadow text effect in Canva. It's super easy and quick. First, just open Canva and then create a new designs, or just open your old designs. And after that, just go to apps like this and then just search for type Extrude and then just click this app. And then next, just type your text, for example, like this. And then you can just search, choose the styles that you like, for example like this or like this. And then next you can adjust the font like this, and then adjust the alignment, spacing, and then you can also adjust the effect and then change the color that you want, for example like this. And then just add the 3D shadow and then adjust the angle and then adjust the opacity, for example like this. And then you can also edit the effect like this. You can adjust the angle of perspective, for example like this. Adjust the distance like this. Like this, you can see the difference. Adjust the border thickness like this. And when you're done, you can just tap or click add to designs like this. Your 3D shadow text is ready like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.